Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. I am so sorry for that abrupt ending. I don't know what's going on, but I do film with a webcam that's hooked to my computer, so my computer has to be close. And here lately, it's like the wire, if it gets jarred the least little bit, it will kick me off and tell me my video is not available. So I do apologize. This is going to be a super, well, no, maybe we can do one other thing real quick that I wanted to do, but I will go ahead and show you. So I did stamp Paris on there. I wasn't going to do a part 2. I was just going to finish it and show it in my next full video. But no, I'm excited and I want you guys to see that. So I will post this one right after the other one. So this is one that we have, and that is it from the side. And you could certainly do something else here if you wanted to tuck something down in there and have it hang, whatever it is you want to do. But again, this is just strictly for decorating purposes. So we have that one, and then we have this one from the side, which is gorgeous. I love those spines on the books like that. So we have those two. So that's what we have there. So we have 2 more things ready to decorate with. So the other thing I did, guys, is at the Dollar Tree, in the aisle where they actually have the planters and stuff at for outside, I found these pink little glass jars with the lids. So I've actually put safety pins in them, and I got 3. So I do want to decorate these somehow, and I was thinking, what was I thinking? I was thinking of just putting something around it and tying a bow. Really simple, really simple. So let's see what kind of, well, this will be long enough, but I don't think we need it that wide. So let's cut this in half, tear it in half. And then we could just take and go around here, is what I was thinking, and just tie us a bow, just to give it a little something. This might be a terrible bow, but we'll see how she comes out. Yeah, not a great bow. Okay, we won't do a bow. Let's do a knot, because I also want to put like a flower or something on it right here. So let's just do that and that. Maybe a little bit. There we go. Just like that. So that right there is all I've done. Now let me grab, if I can do it quickly, some flowers. So I have these little flowers that maybe we can just hot glue right there. Let's see. Probably should have did this before I filled them up. I think I want that down like that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little spot, hopefully, of hot glue there. And we're just going to bring that over like that. And then we're going to take this one and do the same thing. Just a little spot of hot glue. Bring that down like right there. And then we could do, oh yes, yes. Good plan, I like it. So then we'll just do our bow right there. Look at how cute, guys. Just that quick. Super cute. I love it. Okay. So, I want them to match, so I'm going to do them all the same. I'm going to get a huge mess over here. Alright. So, we'll do our knots here. Go. Right. And then just come down like here. That. And then we could cut it. Right, and then about here. That. Oh, how cute. And then throw our little bow on there. Yep, we got it. Oh, those are going to be so cute. How darling is that? Yep. I like it a lot. Okay. So, one more. Well, that's not going to work. One more piece of this. I still have strings everywhere. I'm bad about not pulling off my strings here. Right. So get a knot tied here. This is going to end up being more just a little bit of green and white, but hey, I'm okay with that. And we'll put a little bit of glue there. And then a little bit here. Just kind of pat that a little bit. Go down a little bit further on this side so we can get some of that green there. There we go. And then our little flower. Did I call that a bow before? Oh Lord, I don't know. Look at how cute. Well, I love how they turned out. Oops. There we go, guys. Just so that you guys can see them. Can pick up later whatever falls out. So there we go, guys. Just that quick and easy. We have two fun projects. So we have those. And then we have throwing stuff in the floor. And then we have our two books. So there we go. Just some fun decorating ideas. I got a mess to clean up now. You'll see how that falling out. Yeah, so just some fun decorating ideas there. Quick and easy, pretty much just scrap material that was laying around in the craft room, books that was sitting around on my shelves, and that's pretty much it, guys. Yep, and a little bit of bling. Gotta have some bling bling. Speaking of bling bling, hold the phone. Let's see if we want to do that. Tweezers. Having finger problems today. thinking. Okay, as much as I like my bling, I think I'm going to wait. Because sometimes you do need something a little bit more subtle, and even I can't believe I said that. Alright guys, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you don't mind, please hit that like button and leave me a super quick comment. It is a wonderful way that you can support my channel. Also, if you wouldn't mind, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much guys. I love you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.